Welcome, in front of me is a HOTWAV T5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, we will first need to turn off our device, so hold the power button and select power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. So let's give it a moment. There we go. So it's now off. So like I mentioned, power button, volume up at the same time. This will initially boot us into bootloader, from which in the middle option we have Fastboot mode. So using volume up only to select that middle option, just make sure that the arrow is on the second spot, aka middle. As you can see, there's only 3 options. So once it's there, press volume down, and this will boot you into Fastboot mode. So this is how you boot this device into Fastboot mode. Now once you're done with this, whatever you're needing it should usually boot you out of it, but if for some reason you want to do it yourself, I believe it's going to require either holding power button till it turns off or power button and volume down. I'm gonna first try the power button alone. So as you can see, it did turn off and it automatically boots back up. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.